Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about radio buttons in HTML and how to create that sort of a form. So let's get started with the programming. And when the program runs, we'll get to know how the output comes out. So first I have the HTML tag, the body tag, and then I'll just give it some heading of radio button. Close the heading, and then a paragraph for button choice, and then close it. Then start the form, give it some input value. That's what we have to take in from the user. Give it a type. That is a radio button type. In the previous video, we had used a text one. Give it an ID, which is equals to, like I'm just saying, button one. Name is equal to anything FAV. Then value equals to, this is what comes out on the radio button. So I'll just call it button one as well. Then a label for this one, which is button one. Again, that is that is a button. The next one would be B button. Close the label, give a break, then input for the next one. Type again radio, ID equals to button 2. Name is again FAV. Value equals to button 2. And then give it a label, and we're defining the label for button 2. Call it B button. Then close the label, give a break. Last one, input type equals to radio, ID equals to button 3, name equals to FAV, value equals to button 3 as well. Label again for button 3, that is C button. Close the label, close the form, close the body, close the HTML. Let's copy everything, put it in the emulator. run it. So you can see, let me enlarge it. So you can see that there are three kinds of button, A, B, C button, and we have just given the heading and all that we have to pick a choice out of A, B, and C buttons. So these are my buttons. Let me just see. This is how you select a radio button out of the three. One of the choices can be done. So that's how you make radio button form in HTML.